Cairoli leads the race, though. 1 second clear of Kevin Strijbos, who looks to get the bit between his teeth now. Just adjusting the clutch there real quick as he came over the jump. Strijbos. 25 minutes to go. Still a long way to go. This battle early at the moment. Belgian fans on their feet. Kevin Strijbos taking the long way round. Gets the run on Cairoli, who moves aside. Strijbos leads here in Belgium. So the Rockstar Energy Suzuki, number 22, Kevin Strijbos, flies by the Sandmaster, Tony Cairoli, a 71-time Grand Prix winner and 7-time world champion. The 222 Red Bull KTM. Strijbos, well, he led the qualifying race yesterday, only to be denied in what was a 25-minute race by Cairoli. But he struck early, and he's taken the challenge to Cairoli. Here's how he did it. Got the run around the outside. Cairoli went short and sharp to the inside. The momentum all the way around the outside. I think Cairoli knew he was there, though. In the end, he didn't challenge. But he will.